There are a lot of destructive things going on, and if you will not take an action now, the situation will be so difficult. So the point is, we have been talking actually since 1987, so now it is just time to take an action. The problem is civil society, there is a gap between policymakers and civil society. This gap is not existent. Because civil society, they have a big role actually. I have to admit something. There is a big role here for civil society, but the connection, policymakers, they do whatever they want to do. It's all about money and politics. We have to admit something like this. So the collaboration between civil society and different stakeholders, public sector, private sector, they can show the voice of poor people. And the problem is there is no implementation strategy regarding sustainable development strategy. And one of the main rules for civil society is advocacy and awareness for sustainable development.
Omar, I'm sorry for interruption. I'm really happy معالي الوزيرة معانا هنا عشان ترد على النقاط اللي انت ذكرتها. يعني I'm really happy you got this up. I'm really happy إن الدكتورة غادة ويلي معانا.
Okay, I'll continue something. For sure there is a big role. I can't negotiate with this, but the action, the reality is we are doing a lot of dialogues. We have been doing a lot of dialogues, but there is no action. I mean, if we try to take an example, the National Strategy for Sustainable Development in Egypt, we will see that there is no implementation methodology, and the role of civil society to implement this strategy is not existent. And this is actually a big problem. So in part, regarding the videos that I've been doing, during the last 4 years, I've traveled for almost 16 countries in Europe and in Asia to just show sustainable development applications of young entrepreneurs. And part of my role as Executive Director for PCSD, the Past Corporate for Sustainable Development, we started to make interviews, show the applications in Europe and Asia, and just to tell the people and the governments we already have solutions. What we need is adoption of this solution in a high political level. So the role of civil society is mainly started from national level, going from international level, local level to international. So if we will have a coalition between civil society with the decision makers, because the role of civil society is ensure the level of accountability, advocacy, participating in monitoring and evaluation, and this is a problem. So I don't know if you, Dr. Ghada, could explain more about if there is actually the civil society is already contributing on monitoring and evaluation. I think it's time to talk, it's time to take an action now before it's late. During the next few years, the situation will be hard. In Egypt, in 2050, total population will be 150 million people. So if we keep in this way about the way to use resources, traditional way, we will not take us forward and there will be a crisis coming. So we have to change our way of thinking to use resources in a sustainable way. So thank you very much, and now it's time to make a real change.
Thank you.